The tradition of recycling has always been fascinating and eye-catching. But this time, it's even more impressive, building a wheelbarrow from unusable oil barrels, without using any tools or equipment. These barrels are cut entirely by hand, using shear force, a hammer, and a single sharp piece of metal. In some regions of countries like Afghanistan, Pakistan, or India, even basic technology is scarce, not even a simple angle grinder is used. Most of these processes are carried out entirely by hand. Even the smallest parts of these barrels are reused. For example, the metal rings that encircle the barrels later serve as structural frames in their projects. After cutting and flattening the barrel into a simple sheet, a stencil is used to mark the sheet, and then, once again, it is cut with a sharp blade and hammer to achieve its new shape. Finally, the only use of industrial machinery in this process is a very old rolling machine, used to flatten the sheets. After these stages, some parts are shaped using a multi-slot stencil, and then, following the marking, they are cut into the template's shape with large shears. Performing these steps entirely by hand, without any tools, is truly difficult. These individuals put in tremendous effort and dedication to create such practical and functional products. The sheets that were previously cut according to the stencil are shaped entirely by hand and a simple hammer, until they take the form of the wheelbarrow's basin. Apparently, these barrels are widely used in recycling industries. In our previous video, we showed how the same barrels were used to make steel pipes. After shaping the sheets into the wheelbarrow's basin, the compartment that holds the load, the working edges are joined together manually using rivets and a hammer. A round magnet, with a hole in the center, is placed under the workpiece, and the rivet is struck from above with a hammer so that it does not fly to the sides. A piece of iron, shaped like an H, is used as an anvil so that the edges of the workpiece are bent outward, preparing them for attaching the rod around the entire piece. The same iron rods, separated from the top and bottom parts of the barrel, are now wrapped around the workpiece to provide greater strength. After placing the rod, the edges of the workpiece are bent inward with a hammer so that the rod is secured in place. The process is completed entirely without welding, adhesives, or any other materials. After completing the wheelbarrow's basin, the chassis, previously made from recycled iron, is welded to the body of the workpiece. Here, either the electric welding process or MMA welding is used. After securing the chassis to the body and welding a few metal plates to the handle for added strength, the product is ready for use. Finally, the tire is attached to the workpiece with a bolt and nut, completing the assembly. If you are interested in this type of content, liking and sharing it with your friends helps our channel gain visibility and grow. Stay tuned for the next video.